Our kidneys play a pivotal role in our overall health, acting as natural filters for our body. They help cleanse the blood by removing waste and excess fluids, maintaining a delicate balance of body salts and minerals, and regulating blood pressure. In today's fast-paced world, our kidneys are often overloaded with toxins from our diet and environment, making kidney health more important than ever. Fortunately, nature has provided us with an abundance of fruits that can help cleanse our kidneys and enhance their function. This article explores 9 fruits that are not only delicious but are also equipped with powerful properties to support and cleanse your kidneys quickly. The importance of cleansing your kidneys. Every day, your kidneys process around 200 quarts of blood, sifting through about 2 quarts of waste products and excess water. However, when toxins build up, it can lead to various kidney problems, including stones, infections, and in severe cases, chronic kidney disease. A diet rich in certain fruits can play a crucial role in cleansing your kidneys, helping them to efficiently remove these toxins and reduce the risk of kidney-related health issues. Incorporating kidney cleansing fruits into your diet is a simple yet effective way to maintain your kidney health and overall well-being. Criteria for selecting kidney cleansing fruits. When choosing fruits that support kidney health, it's essential to consider several key factors. Firstly, fruits rich in antioxidants can help neutralize harmful toxins, while those high in vitamins and minerals support the body's natural detoxification processes. Hydration is another critical aspect, as adequate fluid intake is vital for kidney function. Additionally, fruits low in sodium and sugar are preferable, as high levels can strain the kidneys. The fruits listed in this article have been selected based on these criteria, offering a range of benefits to cleanse and support your kidneys. Fruit 1. Watermelon. Watermelon is a hydrating powerhouse with over 90% water content, making it an excellent choice for kidney health. Its high water content helps flush out toxins from the kidneys, ensuring they operate efficiently. Additionally, watermelon is rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that provides numerous health benefits, including reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys. Consuming watermelon regularly can aid in cleansing your kidneys and maintaining their health. Fruit 2. Lemons. Lemons are another fantastic fruit for kidney health, primarily due to their high citric acid content. Citric acid helps prevent the formation of kidney stones by increasing urine volume and pH, making it less conducive for stone formation. Moreover, lemons are packed with vitamin C, which boosts the immune system, helping to fight off kidney infections. Including lemon in your water not only adds a refreshing twist but also aids in cleansing your kidneys. Fruit 3. Berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. Berries are a superfood for the kidneys. Strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are loaded with antioxidants, including vitamin C and flavonoids, which help protect the kidneys from oxidative damage and inflammation. These fruits are also a great source of fiber, which can help manage blood sugar levels, reducing the strain on your kidneys. Incorporating a variety of berries into your diet can support kidney function and prevent the buildup of toxins. Fruit 4. Apples. Apples are beneficial for kidney health due to their high fiber content and anti-inflammatory properties. The fiber in apples helps reduce cholesterol, manage blood sugar levels, and prevent constipation, indirectly supporting kidney health. Additionally, apples are rich in antioxidants that help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress. Eating an apple a day can indeed keep the kidney doctor away by aiding in the body's natural detoxification process. Fruit 5. Grapes. Grapes, especially red and purple varieties, are rich in resveratrol, a type of antioxidant that has been shown to have numerous health benefits, including supporting kidney health. Resveratrol helps reduce inflammation and damage to kidney cells caused by toxins. Grapes are also a good source of vitamin C and potassium, which are essential for maintaining fluid balance and blood pressure, further supporting kidney function. Snacking on grapes or adding them to your diet can be a delicious way to cleanse your kidneys. Fruit 6. Cranberries. Cranberries are most commonly known for their role in preventing urinary tract infections (UTIs), which can adversely affect the kidneys. They contain compounds that prevent bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract walls, thus reducing the risk of infections. Moreover, cranberries are rich in antioxidants and vitamins that support kidney health. Consuming cranberry juice or whole cranberries can help keep your kidneys clean and functioning properly. Fruit 7. Pineapples. Pineapples contain bromelain, an enzyme that has anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits. For the kidneys, bromelain helps reduce inflammation, one of the causes of kidney dysfunction. Pineapples are also rich in manganese, vitamin C, and fiber, supporting overall kidney health and function. Adding pineapple to your diet can aid in cleansing your kidneys and enhancing their performance. Fruit 8. Oranges. Oranges are well known for their high vitamin C content, which supports the immune system and prevents kidney infections. They also offer a significant amount of potassium, which is crucial for fluid and electrolyte balance in the body, essential for kidney health. Consuming oranges or pure orange juice can provide a nutritional boost to help cleanse and maintain your kidneys. Fruit 9. Papayas. Papayas are a tropical fruit rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support kidney health. They contain vitamins A, C, and E, and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation in the kidneys and protect them from damage by toxins. Papayas also have potassium, which helps maintain healthy blood pressure, a crucial factor for kidney health. Including papayas in your diet can contribute to the overall health and cleansing of your kidneys. How to incorporate these fruits into your diet. Incorporating these kidney-cleansing fruits into your diet is both easy and enjoyable. Here are some practical tips. Start your day with a fruit-infused water using lemons, oranges, or berries. Add a serving of watermelon, grapes, or berries to your breakfast or as a mid-morning snack. Make a fruit salad with apples, papayas, and pineapples for a refreshing and hydrating dessert. Use cranberries or blueberries to top your yogurt or cereal. Incorporate these fruits into smoothies for a nutritious and kidney-friendly beverage. Cleansing your kidneys is crucial for maintaining overall health, and incorporating these 9 fruits into your diet can significantly contribute to your kidneys' health and function. These fruits not only offer a delicious way to cleanse your kidneys but also provide numerous other health benefits. By making these fruits a regular part of your diet, you can enjoy the dual benefits of a delicious treat and a natural way to support your kidney health. Remember, while these fruits are beneficial, maintaining a balanced diet and consulting with a healthcare provider for personalized advice is also essential for optimal kidney health.